Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to enable chat bubble in WhatsApp. So as you can see, this is a chat bubble or chat head for Messenger app. So if you want to get a chat head or chat bubble like this for your WhatsApp, here's how to do it. By default, WhatsApp doesn't provide us this option to enable chat bubble or chat head, but you can easily use chat bubble from your Android phone. So if you're an Android phone user, all you have to need, go to your settings app, and from your settings just tap on notifications and tap on advanced settings, and here tap on floating notifications, and here select bubbles, and once you selected bubbles, notifications for compatible conversations will include an icon. You can tap to change the conversation to bubble view. Once it's successfully turned on, make sure to enable your WhatsApp notification. So from your Android phone main settings page, go to notification again, and now tap on app notification, and here just search for WhatsApp and make sure to enable WhatsApp notification. Now on, whenever you receive a new message from WhatsApp, you will get a chat bubble from the conversation like this. Using the chat bubble, you will be able to easily reply to the chat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.